Hello friends, I Rahul Agarwal, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges, welcome all of you on behalf of Guru KPU. Today we will deliver a video lecture on fitting of a line. How we can fit a straight line. That means we know that equation of a line is y is equal to a plus bx. Fitting of a line is a very simple process. In this we have to identify best value of a and b. We have given x and y. Based on these values, we have to identify constants a and b. Got to my point? For this, we use normal equations. We have to identify two unknown variables a and b. To identify two values, we need two equations. These are two normal equations to find a and b on the basis of given value of x and y. The y is equal to a plus bx is our line equation. For this, normal equations are sigma y is equal to na plus b sigma x, sigma xy is equal to a sigma x plus b sigma x square. We will use these equations to fit a straight line. Okay. The problem is that x and y are given. By using these values, I have to fit a straight line. Okay. For this, we will create a table to find required values of equations. We have given x and y, sigma y, we will get, sigma x, we will get. We need xy, so we create one new column x into y and also create a new column of x square. Okay. X, 2, 3, 5 and 6 given. Y 5, 7, 11 and 13 given. Now I have to identify x into y. So multiply x with y, 2 into 5, 3 into 7 and similar way. And we need x square. So find x square, 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 6 square. And then find summation of these all. Summation of x, 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus summation of y, 5 plus in subka addition, sigma xy, addition of these values, sigma x square, addition of these values. Okay. Now replace these values in the normal equations. This equation we will replace in this normal equation. Normal equation sigma y is 36 n. N is number of values. How much values? 1, 2, 3, 4. So n is 4a plus sigma x 16b. Sigma xy is 164. Sigma x 16a plus sigma x square 74b. So we will get these two equations. Okay. We can solve these two equations by any method, by random method or any method to find a and b. The best method is Cramer rule. So I will solving these equations by using Cramer rule. For Cramer rule, we will find del 1 and del 2. Okay. How we can find del? A is 4, coefficient of b is 16, then a 16, b is 74. Cross multiply these values, 4 into 74 minus 16 into 16, that is 40. It is our del. Now we have to identify del 1. For del 1, column 1 be change. Column 1 be change. In column 1, we will replace 36 and 164. No change in second column. Second column is 16 and 74. Again, cross multiply these values. Okay. Now we have to identify del 2. For del 2, in column 2 is change. Column 2, we will get 36 and 164. No change in column 1. Column 1, 4 and 16. Again, cross multiply these values. We will get 18. Now, A, del 1 upon del. B, del 2 upon del. Del 1 is 40, del is 40, 40 upon 41. B, del 2 upon del, 80 upon 40 is 2. So, y is equal to a plus bx. A is 1, b is 2. This is our straight line equation. So, fitting means simply identify a and b. Here a is 1, b is 2. We will cross verify that our result is true or false. Given question is this: when x is 2, we will get 5. Line equation we will get a y is equal to a plus bx. Here a is 1 and b is 2. Replace x. X is 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then x is 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 into 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 13. Getting this point? By this process, we can fit any straight line. Very simple process. You have to use only these two normal equations, find required values and put these into equations and solve this by using any method. Best, simplest method is Cramer rule. So, I will use Cramer rule. Okay. By this process, you can fit any straight line. Thank you friends for watching this video. Please like, subscribe our YouTube channel, gurukp.com. Thank you and thank you.